Here I have a Chromecast with Google TV, and this is the 4K version. Today I'm going to go ahead, tear it down, and show you what's inside. So I'll get started with the Chromecast first, and then we'll do the remote. So with the Chromecast here, we're going to take a little pry pick, and we're going to come in from this USB-C port and just start picking at the corner here. Slide the tool around the rim of the Chromecast, as well as slide it around the other side. And that should pop off the plastic piece. Inside here we have a heat shield, as well as some Torx screws. We can remove this metal heat shield now. There is thermal paste on top of it and underneath of it, as well as on the chips. So on the other side here, it looks like we have the processor right here, which is the AM logic, and we have the memory. USB-C port on the bottom. The HDMI connector. The HDMI connector located here, and the reset button located right here, as well as the LED indicator. Let's take a look at the remote now. Run a pry tool along the sides. The microphone is located right here, and we have some T5 Torx screws. And that wraps it up for this teardown on the Chromecast with Google TV. If you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you found the video helpful. It really does help, and it motivates me to make these videos. Subscribe, check out my channel for tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.